Hello to Miss Wortham students. My name is Connie Kitkowski and I have been a real estate agent for about 15 years. And I have to tell you, I don't like math. I've never been great at it, but most jobs require math in the job. So you have to find a job that you like and then learn how to do the math that comes with it. So with my job, we use math to calculate square footage of houses, to calculate square footage of acreage. So 1 acre equals 43,560 square feet. So let's just say there was a listing that was only used square footage for the description of the land. And let's say they used 108,900 square feet. If I use the division to divide that by the size of an acre, I would find out that that's 2.5 acres. So there's a little bit of math, a little bit of division. Okay, so another thing, the most important thing, let's get for real, is a paycheck. So in real estate, we get paid by commission, which means we don't get paid until we sell the house or we sell the land. And the commission is based on the sales price. And then normally the commission is 3%. Sometimes it's more, like very rarely it's more, and sometimes it's less, but in general, it's 3%. So let's say you bought a house that cost $300,000. The commission on that would be $9,000 because we're going to multiply that 3% times the 300,000. So then what we have to do next is figure out how much of that we get to keep. So we have to use more math to decide, okay, this is what my broker charges me to work for him, or here's fees that come out. Like we have to pay insurance, we have to pay, all kinds of different fees. And so you don't get that full $9,000. You have to be able to deduct all that. So you have to be able to subtract that, and you need to make sure that you know what the subtraction is so that when you get the commission, you know if they gave you the right amount, and if they didn't, you can go back and talk to them about, hey, this isn't the right amount. So anyway, that's 2 examples. Then you have to have a checkbook. Even if you don't have physical checks, which a lot of people don't anymore, you have to have some type of ledger, which there's a lot of programs for that. I use QuickBooks, but there's a lot of different ways you could do that. But so you have to know how much am I putting into my account, and then before I can even look at spending any of that, how much money do I need to send to other places? So since I work for myself, I don't have an employer that takes taxes out for me. So when I get a paycheck, I have to automatically put to the side X amount of dollars for my taxes, X amount of dollars for my marketing, for supplies. So I have to divide that money into where it's going to go, and then I'm left with a paycheck. So there is a lot of math. There's more math than what I thought there was, but it's simple math, which is good. And I'm not in school, so I can use any kind of tools I want. I can use QuickBooks, I can use calculator, I can use everything. So I'm not expected to have all that memorized. Thank goodness, because like I said, math is not my strong suit, but I do have to use it. So anyway, I think that's all in a nutshell. But if you have more questions, just let Miss Wortham know, and I'll be happy to answer any questions y'all have. And thank you for letting me share about my job. Hope y'all have a great class. Bye.